What a tease.
Sorry.
Thank you. How to scare your cat. Oh shit!
No. Okay. Yeah, that's a Samson.
Oh, isn't she so precious? Yes, isn't she so precious? I love her.
You're such a dick. Look at the fucking size of her.
Jealous again. Someone's jealous. Someone's jealous. Oh no.
For me. Oh, thank you. Kalua, you're bad.